Calculating the percentage of another percentage of an amount. In this case, we have to find a compound percentage, which is calculated by multiplying the two percentages, and then, the total percentage is used as the term A in the formula of the previous paragraph. Thus, we have the following shown on screen. Let's explain this point through an example. Example 1. A tailor has to sew 120 dresses in a month. He was able to sew only 80% of this amount and eventually take them to market. However, only 75% of the dresses were sold. How many dresses did the tailor sell during the given month? Solution 1. The long way would imply calculating how much is 80% of 120 and then calculate 75% of the new amount obtained. We will use this method as a proof form with the short method used in the following. In simple words, we have to calculate 75% of 80% of 120. Here, x equals 75 and y equals 80. Thus, we have the following shown on screen. The long way, the number of dresses the tailor sew, N1, is shown in the following on screen. The number of dresses sold, N2, is shown in the following on screen. As you see, the result is the same, but the first method is shorter. Obviously, percentages can also express amounts that are greater than the whole. In such cases, we have the numerator of the corresponding fraction greater than the denominator. Everything else is the same as the previous. Example 2. A researcher planned to read 160 pages in one day, but he stayed in the library longer, and read 184 pages during that day. What percent of the initial goal did he achieve? Solution 2. We have to calculate how much percent of 160, the initial plan or the whole, is 184. Taking 184 equals A, and 160 equals B, we have the following shown on screen. Hence, 184 represents 115% of 160. That is all for lesson 5.1.4. To continue this tutorial, please watch 5.1.5, Operations with Percentages. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.